Hi guys, welcome to Alex Goes Coconuts. So today I'm going to be going over amazing Black Friday deals. So I'm going to be showing you all kinds of travel items that are on special right now on Amazon. And if you know anybody who loves to travel, these would all make really great Christmas gifts. So all the items that I'm going to talk about in today's video, I will put the links in the description box down below. Okay, so let's begin. Now the first thing I want to talk about are suitcases. I really like high quality suitcases just because they last longer. You're going to have better zippers, better wheels, and a better handle. So I recommend this suitcase from Samsonite. It's called the Freeform Hardside Carry-On Luggage, and this is on special at 46% right now for Black Friday. It's a $300 suitcase and it is reduced to $113 right now. So a really great deal for a great suitcase. Now, if you're somebody who travels a lot for business, I found this Travel Pro Max Elite rolling tote bag. This is really great because it fits under the seat of any airplane. I've owned this for a few years now and I can say the quality of this bag is great. This bag usually costs around $140 and right now it's on special at $95. So a really great deal for the Travel Pro brand. Now, if you're looking for a really great carry-on bag, Travel Pro Max Elite has a weekender bag, which is also really great. The bag has a bottom compartment for any kind of shoes that you want to travel with, and it can also slip onto the handle of your roll-on suitcase so you can carry this around the airport super easily. The next thing I recommend are these Bag Smart compression packing cubes. So I've been using these compression cubes for about a year now, and I can say that they're super high quality and they really do compress the clothes super well. So right now they're 26% off for Black Friday. It's usually $43 for the whole set, but right now it's on special at $31. Super great deal for a set of compression cubes. Okay, the next thing I want to talk to you about is the Bag Smart Travel Jewelry Organizer. I like to bring some jewelry when I'm traveling, and you definitely don't want the jewelry to get wrecked. And these travel jewelry organizers are super flat, so they fit super well in your carry-on bags. Now this comes in two sizes. There's the small and the medium size. For shorter trips, I'll bring the small one, and for longer trips, usually I'll pack the medium size. Right now it's on special at 26% off, so really great deal. Next on my list is this sleep eye mask. I really recommend traveling with this eye mask, and what I like about this one is that there's really soft cushioning around your eyes, and there's two holes for your eye sockets so that the mask is actually not resting on your eyelashes while you're sleeping. This one that I found on Amazon is usually a $25 eye mask, and right now it's $10. And this one comes with its own travel bag, and it also comes with earplugs for those long flights. Okay, next is this cute little toiletry bag kit. So this 3-piece set comes with your clear TSA liquids bag, which is really great. So you can put all your liquids in that bag. You also have the hanging toiletry bag when you're trying to save counter space in a hotel room or on a cruise or something. It also comes with a detachable clear bag. I like to put my makeup in there so that I can find my makeup really quickly. And then it does come with an extra little toiletry bag in length. So that's perfect for a hairbrush or any kind of accessory that's a bit longer. And this right now is 17% off. So it comes out to $32 for the whole kit. The next thing on my list are these Olay cleansing melts. Instead of bringing your liquid facial cleanser, I like these little cleansing melts just because they're these tiny little squares and you just add a little bit of water to them. And right now they're on special at 32% off. It only comes out to $13 for the pack of 2, which is a really great price. And these would make some really great stocking stuffers. The next thing I recommend are compression socks. Compression socks are really great when you're taking a long flight. They prevent swelling in your feet and they prevent any kind of complications like developing a blood clot while you're traveling. Right now it's 44% off. Super great deal for compression socks. Next on my list is sunscreen. Now, I personally like the Neutrogena Hydro Boost gel sunscreen just because it's a gel, so it absorbs super quickly into your skin. It's water resistant and non-greasy. and it's on special right now at 38%. Now, if you prefer a mineral sunscreen, you can look at the Blue Lizard mineral sunscreen with zinc oxide. This is also a 50 SPF. This is a fragrance-free vegan sunscreen, and it's really great for sensitive skin. It usually costs $20 for a bottle, and right now it's on special for $14. So really great price for an all-natural sunscreen. Next on my list is liquid IV. I usually like to travel with some electrolyte drink mix. Electrolytes help with jet lag. It's also great to flavor your water with. Right now, they're all 30% off, so it comes out to $20 for a bag of 16 packets. Next on my list are sunglasses. I found these cute little Sojo sunglasses. Right now, they're 36% off, which comes out to $13 for a cute little pair of sunglasses that you can bring on your next travels. Now, if you're ready to invest a little bit more money, I highly suggest the Ray-Ban Meta AI glasses. These are great when you're traveling because they come with that little camera built into your sunglasses. So if you want to record your travels while wearing the sunglasses, you can do that. You also have the open ear speakers in there, so the Bluetooth works with that. And it's a really great wearable technology, especially when you're traveling. You can ask AI to find certain things for you or to locate where you are. They're originally $350, so they come down to $262 right now, which is a really great deal for these intelligent sunglasses. The next thing on my list is this Anker magnetic power bank. What I like about this one is that it has fast charging, which is really great. It's magnetic, so it charges your phone wire free. It also has a built-in USB cable, and it has an adjustable stand, so you could be charging your phone at the same time that you're watching movies on the plane. And this is 40% off right now, so it comes down to $30, which is a really great price. Next on my list is the Dyson Airwrap. Personally, I love to travel with the Airwrap because it's really slim and compact, and it has all the different styling attachments. This fits perfectly in my suitcase when I'm traveling. And right now, this is on special at $499 instead of that $650 price tag. Next on the list are these headphones from Beats Studio Pro. These are 57% off. So instead of that $350 price tag, they're on special at $150 right now. So a super great deal for those Beats headphones. The next thing I recommend traveling with is an Amazon Kindle. It's super lightweight and it's perfect for traveling with lots of different books. And right now they have their newest model on special. It's 27% off, so it comes out to $79. A really great travel gift for anybody who loves to read. Okay, the next thing on my list is this AirFly Bluetooth wireless audio transmitter. This little thing plugs into the jacks on airplanes so that you can watch movies off their entertainment system while still using your AirPods or your wireless headphones. It's 35% off right now, so it comes out to $25. The next thing on my list is this DJI action camera. This is a waterproof action camera with stabilization and a touchscreen. It films in 4K, and these are ideal for any kind of sports activity or zip lining, or if you just want to film yourself at the beach and you don't want your camera to get wrecked. Right now it's 23%, and instead of $350, it comes down to $270, which is a really great price for an action camera. The next thing on my list is this Canon IV mini photo printer. I like to print some pictures on the go, and I know that my kids really enjoy printing their vacation pictures, so this would make a super great gift. And right now it's 17% off. It comes out to $99 for this cute little printer. You can either get it as a standalone or you can get it with the whole kit, including the photo paper and the travel case, for $179. All right, guys, so those are all the Black Friday deals that I found that are really worth getting right now. I hope you liked this video. Let me know in the comments down below what you're planning on buying from this video, and I'd really appreciate if you take the time to like this video and subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching, guys. Happy travels. Bye.